does, yeah.
The car condom moving expedition in Merrickville. And what are you doing in the big city tonight? I bet you're not having this much fun. This is what we do in Merrickville on a Monday evening. Oh, there is traffic coming. Hang on, guys.
What?
He's turning. We're good. Okay, let's go, folks. Main Street, here we are. And Hope will bring up the lead and make sure nobody is hurt. Oh, and here comes the friggin' OPP. Wouldn't you know it?
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, honest to God?
Honest to God.
Okay, let's
we're
go
just
to the right.
we're just taking it over the bridge.
Oh, geez. Is it really the OPP?
Yeah, really.
Oh my God, that didn't take us very long, did it? What did
She said, no, we're not.
Oh.
And there goes the car condom, escorted by the OPP. Bless her sweetheart. And there goes Hope. Thanks, Hope. And here goes the car condom on its way to Water Street. Wait, jeez. Nobody can wait, can they?